Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your host Devottam and you are listening to Better You Better Life, a self-improvement plan podcast, season 1 episode 30. As promised in my last episode, that is episode 29, I have announced 7 episode series on climate change. So continuing with that journey, today we will discuss about the first episode of the 7 series episode on understanding the science of climate change. That is, our stress will be more on understanding our impact on the planet. Our approach to this mini project would be to break down the complex ideas so that it will be understandable to even school children. So why we are doing this? Because climate change has become a pressing global issue. It is dominating discussions these days across scientific communities, political arenas, and everyday conversation. But do we really try to understand, or do we really try to comprehend what is the seriousness of this phenomenon? To fully comprehend the gravity of this challenge, it is essential to explore the scientific foundations that underlie climate change. In this episode, we will try to deep dive into key concepts such as the greenhouse effect, the carbon cycle, and climate modeling. By trying to catch or understand some of these scientific principles behind climate change, we can gain valuable insights that how we and our activities contribute to this alarming phenomena of global warming. The first aspect would be the greenhouse effect. At the heart of climate change lies the mother of all problems is the greenhouse effect. Now, what is a greenhouse effect? It is a natural process that is also essential for life on Earth. Certain gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, which are released freely into the Earth's atmosphere, that trap the incoming radiation, incoming heat from the sun within the Earth's atmosphere. This phenomena is akin to a greenhouse, where sunlight passes through the glass but its heat is retained, which means that heat is trapped and it is unable to escape back into the outer space. Without the greenhouse effect, our planet would be inhospitably cold. However, human activities like primarily the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation have dramatically increased a concentration of these greenhouse gases, and it has led to an intensification of the greenhouse effect and subsequent global warming. And that has given rise to another problem, which is the problem of the carbon cycle. See, let's try to get back into our schooling days where we have learned the photosynthesis, then the water cycle where water is evaporated and then again it forms clouds in the space and then it comes back to the earth's surface in the form of rainfall. Again it will flow from higher altitude areas to lower altitude areas and then thereby forming water bodies like rivers, oceans, and that's how it forms the process into a cyclic nature. So it is very important to understand the carbon cycle is how crucial in comprehending these intricate mechanisms of climate change. The carbon cycle refers to the continuous movement of carbon, that is the base of life in Earth, through various reservoirs including the Earth's atmosphere, ocean, land, and living organisms. Through natural processes such as photosynthesis and respiration by plants, carbon is exchanged between these reservoirs. Reservoirs, I'm not talking about water reservoirs. Reservoirs, nothing but storage where carbon, a molecule, is stored in the form of carbon dioxide or other gases like carbon monoxide, or it is combined with other complex molecular compound. However, human activities have disrupted this delicate balance. Fossil fuel burning releases huge amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, overwhelming the capacity of natural sinks to absorb it. The excess carbon dioxide accumulated in the atmosphere will increase the greenhouse effect, and this will cause a rise in the global temperatures, and that is why you will observe that summers are becoming even more hotter whereas glaciers and all those ice beds which are melting very fast than scientists have predicted it. The another aspect that we need to understand is that of climate modeling. Climate modeling is done by various experts in the field which are trying to predict future climatic scenarios and assessing the impacts of human induced changes like urbanization, deforestation, then rampant hunting of living organisms, living beings, and how it is contributing to the problem of climate crisis. Scientists sophisticated computer models that stimulate the Earth's climatic system, incorporating factors such as atmospheric composition, ocean currents, solar radiation, and human activities. By inputting historical data and future projections, these models can provide valuable insights into potential climatic outcomes. While models are not infallible, they offer a powerful tool for policymakers and researchers to evaluate the consequences of different mitigation and adaptation strategies. Sounds complex, right? Let me break it down with you in a concluding note. What we have discussed in this episode 1 is that of understanding the science of climate change. Climate change is an intricate scientific phenomena rooted in the fundamental concepts such as greenhouse effect, the carbon cycle, and climate modeling. Human activities such as urbanization, deforestation, or similar activities, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases, have disrupted the delicate balance of these natural processes. It has resulted in global warming, that is that abnormal rising of the global temperature much before than it is expected, and it has its own far-reaching consequences. By understanding the science behind climate change, we will empower ourselves to make informed decisions at all levels and take meaningful action towards a more sustainable future. We must acknowledge our role in this crisis is the first step towards implementing effective solutions to mitigate the impacts of climate change and safeguard the planet for future generations. I hope this episode was useful to you. In the next episode, I will come up with another important concept of climate change. Till then, enjoy your week. This is your host Devottam. Thank you for listening. Signing off.